The magic spice. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a girl named Maya. Maya loved to cook. She always helped her mother in the kitchen. One day, while walking in the market, Maya saw a colorful spice stall. The spices smelled amazing. Maya asked the old man at the stall, "What is your special spice?" The man smiled and said, "This is magic spice. It can make any dish taste wonderful." Maya was curious. She bought a small bag of the magic spice and hurried home. That evening, she decided to cook dinner for her family. She made rice, vegetables, and chicken. Then she added the magic spice to her dishes. When her family sat at the table, they were excited. Maya served the food, and everyone took a bite. "Wow," her father exclaimed. "This is delicious." Her mother agreed. "I have never tasted anything so good." Maya felt very happy. She had made her family smile with her cooking. After dinner, her little brother asked, "Can we have this every day?" Maya laughed and said, "Maybe we can make magic spice dishes every weekend." From that day on, Maya used the magic spice to create many tasty meals. She invited friends and neighbors to share her food. Everyone loved her cooking, and the village became famous for its delicious meals. Maya learned that with a little love, even a small spice can make a big difference. And so her cooking adventures continued, bringing joy to everyone around her.